Here I have LAVA Z90. Let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find here and select the settings. Here let's choose more, under wireless and network, let's choose Tetris and portable hotspot, and let's tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by using that switcher, and that's it. Here you can also configure the hotspot by tapping setup Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can change network name, security type, password. You can show the current password, and you must know that the password must contain at least 8 characters. You can change AP path or select maximum connections. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also keep Wi-Fi hotspot for exact period of time, or you can use connected users and blocked users list right here. To disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.